Good morning, student.
Morning.
How are you?
Good morning, teacher. I'm fine.
Myself, Swarna teacher. And today we are going to learn play to learn subject. Okay.
Okay.
In our surrounding, there are many things. Many things will you see? Do you know which things will you see in our surrounding? Which places?
Marketplaces, hospital,
Very
and
good.
bank,
Good.
and many different kind of shops.
Very good. In our surrounding, we will see hospital, school, police station, market, banks. Okay, I will show you one picture. Look at carefully. Look at this picture.
Yes, teacher.
What will you see in this picture?
Market, bank, hospital,
Very good.
and
In
one
this
shop.
very good. In this picture, we will see market. This is market. This is this is
Bank.
bank. This is hospital.
Hospital.
This is shop. Okay.
Shop.
Today we are going to give the information about bank. Okay. What is the spelling of bank?
B-A-N-K. Bank.
Very good. The spelling of bank is B-A-N-K. I will show you some picture of banks. Okay. This is the State Bank of India. This is the State Bank of India. This is the Central Bank of India. This is the Central Bank of India. This is a bank. This is a Canara Bank. This is a Canara Bank. This is a HDFC Bank. This is a HDFC Bank. This is the Bank of India. This is the Bank of India. This is the Central Bank of India. This is the Central Bank of India. This is the Bank of Baroda. This is the Bank of Baroda. Have you go to the bank with your parents? Have you go to the bank with your parents?
Yes.
Okay. Then when you go to the bank, what will you see? What will you see in the bank?
Watchman, inquiry counter, accountant, cashier, watchman, security.
Okay, tell me again, what will you see in the bank when you go to?
Watchman, ATM, inquiry counter, cashier, accountant, manager.
Very good. Okay, I will give the more information about the bank with the help of PPT. Okay. What will you see in this picture? Tell me.
One bank. Bank. Yes, bank.
And
security and some people.
Some people and security guard. There is a security guard. He monitored the entry and exit. This is the work of security guard. He monitored the entry and exit. And he ensuring safety from theft. And he ensuring safety from theft. This is the work of security guard. See another picture. What will you see in this picture?
Counter people and cashier counter.
In this picture, we will see many counters and many people. There are many counters in the bank. What will you see in this picture? What you see?
Inquiry counter.
Very good. This is the inquiry counter. This is a inquiry counter. If you have any problem related to your bank account, then you ask it inquiry counter. See next picture.
Cashier.
This is a cash counter. At this counter, you submit or withdraw money and receive back cash. You can deposit or withdraw cash. See another picture.
Cashier counter.
This is a withdrawal counter. This is a withdrawal counter. This is a withdrawal counter. At this counter, we withdraw money. A withdrawal involves removing funds. See next picture.
Manager.
Very good. This is the manager. Manager meeting with customer and resolving any problem or complaints. Manager meeting with customer and resolving any problems or complaints. This is the work of manager.
Cashier. Cashier.
Very good.
Cashier.
Of cashier. And what is the work of cashier? Cashier balancing cash register, accepting credit slips, withdrawal slips, and check. Cashier balancing cash register, accepting credit slip, withdrawal slip, and check. This is the work of cashier. People save their money in the bank because bank is very safe place. Bank is very safe place. Banks takes responsibility of your money. Bank takes responsibility of your money. Banks keep your money safe. Bank keep your money safe. Your money will not be stolen. These are the uses of bank. So people save their money into the bank. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Very good. When you open your account into the bank, banks give you passbook. Banks give you passbook, checkbook, ATM card. I will show you passbook. Okay.
Passbook.
Very good. This is a passbook. This is also passbook. This is also passbook. Different bank have different passbook. Different bank have different passbook. Okay. This is a passbook of SBI Bank. This is passbook of SBI Bank. This is passbook of Maharashtra Bank. This is passbook of Maharashtra Bank. This is passbook of Dena Bank. This is passbook of Dena Bank. Okay. I will show you checkbook. This is checkbook. This is checkbook. In this checkbook, there are many checks. In this checkbook, there are many checks. Look at it. There are many checks. This is a check. This is a check. This is a check. What is this? Tell me, what is this?
ATM card.
Very good. This is ATM card. And what is this?
ATM card.
This is also ATM card. This is ATM card, Dena Bank's ATM card. And this is ATM card of Bank of Maharashtra. Different bank have different ATM card. Okay. And what is this?
ATM.
This is ATM machine. This is ATM machine. Okay. When we insert this ATM card in this machine, when we insert this ATM card in this machine, we get cash. Okay. Tell me, what is this?
Note. Cash.
This is a cash. This is a cash. What is the spelling of cash?
C-A-S-H.
C-A-S-H. This is the spelling of cash. Okay. I will ask you some question about bank. See, first question. People save money in dash dash. People save money in dash dash. First is school, second is bank, and third is hospital.
People save money in bank.
Very good. People save money in bank.
Bank.
Very good. And what is the spelling of bank?
B-A-N-K, bank.
B-A-N-K,
bank.
Very good. Bank. Identify following picture. Look at this picture and tell me the name of this picture.
Cash picture.
Very good. This is a cash. This is a cash. And what is the spelling of cash?
C-A-S-H.
C-A-S-H. C-A-S-H. What is the uses of bank? Next question is, what is the uses of banks? First use is, banks keeps your money safe. First option is, bank keeps your money safe. Second option is, bank takes responsibility of your money. Bank takes responsibility of your money. And third option is both, 1 and 2. Means two option is correct. 1 and 2.
Safe.
Tell me again.
Bank keeps your money safe. Bank
Takes responsibility of your money. Both are correct. Both are correct. See next picture. Next question. Identify following picture. Identify following picture.
ATM machine.
Very good. This is a ATM machine. This is a ATM machine. Next question is, what is the use of ATM machine? What is the use of ATM machine? First option is to withdraw cash. To withdraw cash. Second option is to print passbook. And third option is to open an account. What is the use of ATM machine? Tell me. Use of ATM machine is to withdraw cash. To withdraw cash. This is the use of ATM machine. What is the use of ATM machine?
To withdraw cash.
Very good. Next question. Identify following picture.
ATM card. ATM card.
Very good. This is a picture of ATM card. This is a picture of ATM card. Match the following. First row, we get ATM card, passbook, and check. This option. And another column, you give picture. Tell me, where is ATM card?
First ATM number.
Second number. Very good. In second number, ATM card we get. And second is passbook. Where is passbook? Which number?
Third month. Third number passport.
Third number, passbook. Very good. And check. Where is check?
First number check. Number.
Very good. Let us see again. First number is ATM card. Second is passbook. And third is check. Find odd one out. Find odd one out. Tell me which thing is odd.
5. 4.
First is check. Second is teacher diary. Third is passbook. And fourth is ATM card. Find odd one out.
Diary.
Very good. Teacher diary is odd one. Identify following picture. Tell me the name of this picture.
Check.
Very good. This is a check. This is check. And what is the spelling of check?
C S C E S A.
CHEQUE. CHEQUE. This is the spelling of check. In this lesson, we see some new words. Look at this. This is the first is cash. What is the spelling of cash?
C-A-S-H. Cash.
C-A-S-H. This is the spelling of cash. Second is manager. What is the spelling of manager?
M-A-N-G-E-R.
Very good. M-A-N-A-G-E-R. This is spelling of manager. Third is account.
C-A-C-C-O-U-N-T.
Very good. A-C-C-O-U-N-T. Account. Fourth is check.
C-H-E-P-C-H-E-P-U-E.
Very good. C-H-E-Q-U-E. This is the spelling of check.
Check.
Next is passbook.
P-A-S-S. Pass. B-O-O-K. Passbook.
Very good. P-A-S-S. Pass. B-O-O-K. Book. Pass. Book. I will show you some logos of bank. Logo means specific sign. Every bank has their specific sign. See, this is the logo of Central Bank of India. This is the logo of Central Bank of India. This is the logo of Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. This is the logo of Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. This is the logo of Dena Bank. Dena Bank. Very good. Dena Bank. This is the logo of Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India.
This is the ICICI Bank. This is the logo of ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank.
This is the logo of Bank of India. Bank of India.
Bank of India.
This is a HDFC Bank. This is the logo of HDFC Bank.
HDFC Bank.
Very good.
HDFC Bank.
This is the logo of Axis Bank. Axis Bank.
Bank. Axis Bank.
This is the logo of SBI Bank. SBI Bank.
SBI Bank.
Look at this picture and tell me what is this?
Yes, ATM. ATM machine.
Very good. This is ATM machine. What is this?
Passbook. Passbook.
This is passbook. What is this?
Check.
This is checkbook and this is check. This
Check.
Very good. What is this?
ATM card.
This is ATM card. This is ATM card.
Cash. Cash.
Cash. And tell me the spelling of cash.
C-A-S-H.
C-A-S-H. And tell me the spelling of bank.
C-A-S-H. B-A-N-K. Bank.
Very good. B-A-N-K. Bank. Do you like this lecture? Do you understand?
Yes, teacher. Yes, please.
Very good. Today's lecture is over.